Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Adrian. This is Papa 50. We're continuing our little streak of Patreon recommended and requested songs here with Cascada's Perfect Day. Yeah, we got a huge Cascada fan in the Patreon over here, and I'm very happy he's around so that we can hear all this really great music. If you want your stuff recorded, produced, and released far sooner than anybody who's asking for stuff in the YouTube comments, because I do get to them, I do, then, geez, guys, all you got to do is join up, and you can say, H, I would really love it if you did this song. And I'll be like, yeah, I'll hook you up. Let's listen up.
I know what it takes. I won't hesitate. Thought I told you not to call.
Oh no.
I don't care at all. Here's my point of view. I'm all through with you. Guess there's nothing left to say, and I'm not gonna wait.
All right. It's getting straight to the point. He's like, dude, you're a jerk. You're gone. I'm done. I can appreciate it.
'Cause I'm alright.
Whoa. That just jumped.
Baby, you're no longer creeping in my head. Said I'm okay. I'm on my way. Had it time for me to face that perfect
That's pretty fun, man. That's pretty heavy and energetic. I like it.
Boy, you've gone too far. This is who you are. Now your back's against the wall, but I don't care at all.
Is it though?
Made me spin around. Now I'm touching ground. Here's the
Touching grass?
price you have to pay, and I can hardly wait. 'Cause I'm alright, and I don't mind, baby, you're no longer creeping in my head. Say I'm okay, I'm on my way, and it's time for me to face that perfect day. Tired of having you around.
That's an interesting change.
I don't need you. I won't let you bring me down.
Good for you, girl.
'Cause I'm alright, and I don't mind, baby, you're no longer creeping in my head. I'm okay, I'm on my way, had it time for me to face that perfect day.
I'm really digging it. It's got a ridiculous amount of energy. This is you go out on the floor with this one. You have a great time, and you'd be like, you shake your ass. All right, I enjoyed that. That was really good. I'm very glad you recommended that. Here we go. That's got four Debbies. I feel it's not quite perfect, but it is a pretty great song. And yeah, make sure you join up the Patreon. This is how you get exactly what you want sooner than everybody else asks for what gets what they ask for. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Keep popping, babies.